Monkeypox is spreading in some countries of the world. It can spread to anyone through close, personal, often skin-to-skin contact. Does it use a rapid test to detect the monkeypox virus? Yes, while infected by monkeypox virus. The virus antigen can be detected on the skin lesion exudate, acne scab swab, or nasal swabs. Our monkeypox antigen rapid test cassette comes with a thin swab so that healthcare professionals can easily collect test samples from patients' skin lesions. If you are interested in how to use, you can ask information from us. The features of our test is 1. Rapid detection of monkeypox virus antigen. 2. 15 minutes test cassette. Very easy to operate. CE certification and have registered in UK. Accept OEM order.